Hi, my name's David. I'm from London. I work in Canary Wharf. I have got a bridge, or I did have a bridge, which had lasted me for about 10 years actually. That bridge finally broke, more through wear and tear, and I needed to look into either replacing the bridge or getting implants. I priced the cost of having implants in the UK, and I was looking at paying quite a large amount because it's essentially a range of about 5 teeth. And then a friend told me about VitalEurope. I checked their website. I didn't know what the company was about at first. And the thing that first reassured me was all of the press articles from The Guardian, The Independent, The Times, saying how there's recently been a boom in medical tourism, people going overseas and getting their dentistry work done in places like Budapest, because they can get excellent work done at a far lower cost. Obviously I was a little bit concerned, so I did a bit more reading into it. I then went down to see their clinic in London for like a preliminary checkup, and instantly I was put at ease that they were very professional. I'd say slightly better than my previous dentists in the UK in terms of their technical know-how and their ability at establishing what the problem was and what are you fixing. For instance, my UK dentist, they put in a rod which had slightly angled, and the Budapest dentist realised that I could take the rod out and they could amend it and correct the alignment of it. So for a few years I was walking around with a wonky bridge, but through their work in correcting the implant, putting a couple of new rods in, and then finally just this week coming back across to Budapest for the final implant fitting, I've had the full smile put in, did a bit of whitening, you know, the old vanity reasons. I wanted to look as nice as possible. But I've got nothing but recommendations, and I would happily recommend them to friends or relatives as well if they wanted to have some low-cost, excellent standard work done by qualified professionals in a very, very good setting. Then VitalEurope, I'd definitely recommend them to you.